Hello children, I am your English teacher. St. Joseph's English Medium School, Vijayapura. Academic year 2020 and 21. Children, in the first language of 7th standard English, today we are going to start the second poem in the poem part. Yes, the poem is titled as If. Now, let us first go to the introduction of the poet. The poet is Anon. Anon means unknown person. Unknown person means no one do not know about the poet of If poem. Anon is an abbreviation for anonymous, which means unnamed, unremarkable, impersonal, or nameless. Children, normally what will happen is every poem or lesson they are having their writers or poets' names. But here Anon means unnamed or unremarkable or impersonal or nameless. So, for example, today about what poem we are going to discuss? If no. So, this poem is also not having any particular poet. It means the poet was there, but no one don't know who wrote this poem. Okay. Now, the anonymous poet or Anon died many years ago. A picture of Anon emerges, a witty, slightly cynical philosopher of the people. He could sum up essence of an idea in on-party sentence. Though many other plagiarized his works, he never complained. He must have cared little for money, for there is no record that he was ever paid for any of his work. So here in this paragraph, in this slide, there are 2 or 3 words which you are not able to understand them. Let me clear. The first one is the witty, Witty. Witty means here using words in funny ways. It means that the anonymous or Anon poets, they used such words in a funny way. And cynical, slightly cynical. Cynical means having or showing the attitude, or bitterly or sneeringly distrustful. Okay. Now, the one more word in this paragraph is plagiarized. Plagiarized means an act or instance of using or closely imitating the language and thought of another author. Okay. Now look at the next slide. What is there in this If poem? Giving is important in life. To give someone something, you must yourself be kind, strong, and charitable. You must not be hesitant. See, In this poem, there is a discussion about giving. So this giving is very important in our life, and to give someone to something, the person must be kind, strong, and he should be or she should be charitable, and he or she must not be hesitant. This is what the outcome of this poem. Okay, before going to start the poem, we should look towards the glossary which is in your textbook. Bestow on someone, it means that give someone. Next one is pain you can ease, means free someone from pain or from their worry. Next slide. See, children, some of the extra words of the poem which I marked, yes, the first one is glad. Glad means feeling joy or pleasure or delighted or pleased. Next one is raise. Raise means to move to a higher position, lift up, elevate. Next one is praise, means admiration or approval. Next one is bestow, which means to present as a gift, or the trophy was bestowed upon the winner. Yes, we can use this word like this. Next one is courage, bravery, or the quality of mind or spirit that enables a person to face difficulty. Next one is ease, which means freedom from labor or pain or physical annoyance. Okay. Next, before going to start the poem, I want to read the poem one time. Yes. If you have a kind word to say, say it now. If you have something to give it now. If you can make someone glad or another less sad, do it now, do it now, do it now. Next para. If there is good news to give it now. If there is friendship to show, hope you can raise, or someone you can praise, do it now, do it now, do it now. Next slide. If you have trust to bestow, give it now. If there is courage to give, pain you can ease, or someone you can please, do it now, do it now, do it now. Now children, yes, now we should go for explanation. As in the first paragraph, the first two lines, if you have a kind word to say, say it now. See, in the living beings, human being, man is the only one person who is having talking power, speaking power. So in that daily we are using so many bad words to our family members, to our friends, and with our neighbors many times. So like that, what the poet wants from us is, if you have a kind word to say say it now. How the kind words will start? Please, with requestingly. So these type of words, in these type of words, there is no angry. Okay, with patience, too much patience, we should have to talk with others. We should not become angry very fastly. Okay, angry is not good for our health also. And one more thing here, I want to remember you that one Kannada saying is also there, proverb is there. ನುಡಿದರೆ ಮುತ್ತಿನ ಹಾರದಂತಿರಬೇಕು. Yes, this is the ವಚನ of ಬಸವೇಶ್ವರ. Okay, ನುಡಿದರೆ ಮುತ್ತಿನ ಹಾರದಂತಿರಬೇಕು. It means that our words should become very, very kind. So that's why the poet is asking to us, if you have a kind word to say it now. Next one, if you have something to give it now. Here, what the poet wants to give, what something we have, it means that may they are materialistic things, but many times we should not mean that only materialistic things we can give to people. That is not so. Many times listening to others, and with patiently we should have to listen what the persons are telling to us. Many times what will happen, our friends, our relatives, they want to discuss their problems with us. Or for example, such your friend is having such a problem which she or he cannot discuss with their parents. So those type of friends, they want to discuss about their problems with you. So at that time you should give your patience. Patiently you should have to listen them what the person is telling about. Okay, so that's why if you have something to give it now. For example, if you have a pen, so these are, already I told you that these are materialistic things which we can help by giving them. Okay, now here we are facing a very dangerous situation, that is of COVID-19. So there are so many people who are giving so many things to the needy. That is also okay. That's why the poet is telling that if you have something to give it now. As you can also looking in the picture, one such a girl is helping aged woman, and in another picture you can watch that one such a boy is giving fruits to a girl, which is called as a sharing and giving, sharing and caring. Okay, next one, if you can make someone glad or another less sad, do it now, do it now, do it now. Glad means happy, joyfully. If such a situation is given to us by that spirit to whom we called as God, okay, so why shouldn't we use that situation? Okay, that's why the poet is telling that if you can make someone glad, if there is a possibility in us to make someone glad or another less sad, if somebody is in a sad mood, in sad situation, and if I have the chance, the situation to make him or her glad, then do it now, do it now, do it. Okay, in the picture also you can see that yes, in the last two pictures in the left side, uh, see the ice cream parlor man, he has given such a ice cream to the boy, which fell on the floor. And next, in the next right side picture, you can watch that the ice cream parlor man, after that he has given another this one ice cream. At that time, look at the boy's face, how the child face. You can experience both the pictures, what is the difference in between. Okay, next stanza. If there is good news to give it now. See, many times we are having such a good chances to give good news to others. Why others? To our parents only, to our relatives only, to our friends only. If such a situations we are having, at that time we should have to give that news without waiting. Okay. Next one is, if there is friendship to show, hope you can raise. See, many times we are having such a chances, in which we can show our friendship and what type our friendship is. So at that time we should raise it. If such a situation will come to show our friendship, at that time we should have to raise it. We should have to show our friendship. At what type we are the friends. Friendship, it means that not only just for happiness. The real friends are those only who will stand with their friends in every situation, not only in the happiest moments, happy moments, but also in the sad moments. So the real friendship is that. Next slide. Or someone you can praise, do it now, do it now, do it now. Someone, such a situation will come in which we can praise. So at that time we should not hesitate. Simply we should have to do it now, do it now, do it now. Next para. If you have trust to bestow, give it now. If we people are having trust to bestow, see children, trust is a very important thing. Whether with our family members, whether it is with our school teachers, or whether with our friends, this trust is very, very, very important. If such a situation will come to show your trust, or you should have to give it now. Such a situations will come. We should not kill anybody's trust. What I mean to say you. Okay. So that's why one such a sentence is also there, which you can also observe in the slide. When you lost my trust, you also lost me. So the trust is very important, and trust is also such a one, just like a thread, okay, in between the two friends. So the trust is just like a one such a thread. One side one friend is there, likewise in another side another friend is there. So in between the both, same trust should be maintained. If among the two any one is losing it, then also he lost that friendship. If there is courage to give, pain you can ease. See if there is courage to give. Such times will come where courage is very important. And such situations will not come by asking you whether I will come or not. So at that time suddenly such things will happen in our life. So at that time such a situation they will those type of accidents will give. At that time we should have to show our courage. Just for example, here I want to remind you that one such a Amina, which we have already discussed in the previous classes. Amina, at that time how she saved one such a boy whose name was Ramachandra. I think you can also remember it. So likewise, if there is a courage to give, pain you can ease. See, the physical pain we cannot take from a person, agree, but such a mental pains, by talking kind words, by helping them, by serving them, we can ease their pain, reduce their pain. Okay, what the doctor will do? Yes, the doctors are doing the same thing. See, the disease is cured 50% by the medicine, then the next remaining 50% by their speaking only. What type they will speak? Observe their kind words, at what type their behavior. So like that. Next one, or someone you can please, do it now, do it now, do it now. See, or someone you can please means many times such a situation will come. At that time we can please those people. Such a situations will come to us where we can serve the people, we can serve the society, we can serve the aged. Okay, at that time we should have to do it now, do it now, do it now. So this is the poem of Anne. And at last, if is described the dictionary as on the condition or in the event that, every time, that and whenever. If described the dictionary as on condition or in the event that, every time, that and whenever. Children, this is a double typed. If is conjugation, it connects the subject and object of a sentence. So what is there in the if poem, as we had already discussed? What is there? This is described the dictionary as on the condition or in the event that, every time, that and whenever. It means that we should have to ready for every time to give someone something. Similarly, the poet has used the word if in the poem to emphasize that every living being in this world is connected with one another. So here at last, what the poem wants from us? He wants from us that, he wants to tell us that every living being in this world is connected with one another. We are not separated. We are not separated, he want to tell. He want to tell us that we all people are connected with one another. And so, in order to live harmoniously in the world, it is very important to connect with each other in a good and ethical thoughts and deeds. See here, one such a word is there, harmoniously. Harmoniously means tunefully, melodiously, pleasant. Okay. So here, in order to live in this world, it is very important to connect with each other in a good and ethical thoughts. So here one more word is there, ethical. Ethical means principle of morality. So we should have moral thoughts and also deeds. What is deed? Act of charity. It means that not only we should have moral thoughts in our mind, but also we should have act of charity. Okay. And at last, one such a tune I set to this poem which I want to sing it. You should have to look at the text. If you have a kind word to say it now, say it now. If you have something to give it now, give it now. If you can make someone glad, if you can make someone glad, or another less sad, do it now, do it now, do it now. If there is good news to give it now, give it now. If there is friendship to show, hope you can raise, hope you can raise. Or someone you can please, or someone you can praise. Do it now, do it now, do it now. If you have trust to bestow, give it now, give it now. If there is courage to give, pain you can ease, pain you can ease. Or someone you can please, or someone you can please. Do it now, do it now, do it now. Okay, children, this is the tune what I set to this if poem. So for the memorization, this tune will help you. Okay, practice it well and read the poem again and again and try to sing it with the tune. So after that it will become easy to you to memorize it. And at last, stay home, stay safe, wear mask, and at last don't forget, keep social distance. Thank you.